So I'll be graduating tomorrow and I have to leave this hostel where I lived for nearly 4 years. I have to get stuff packing and I'll bring you guys around to see how it's like to live on campus at the Chinese University of Hong Kong. Let's go.
So this is the corridor we plan to walk every day.
I never wake up early enough to make breakfast, but I just wanted to lose my cooking skills. The reason I have to wake up this early is because my startup partner booked a meeting with me at 9:30.
Well, I still have to work.
即係啲打 description 下邊嗰啲咧，即係加到個 save， 但係 description。
喂。
Okay, the 2 hours meeting's done. I have to rest a bit. Okay, it's 1 o'clock already. Time to get to lunch. The college staff just told me I have to return a key right now, so it turns out the checkout time is 12 o'clock. So I have to do this immediately. And I'm still hungry for lunch, so we have to go.
揾翻條字先。
你有冇送箱鎖匙？
仆街，唔記得咗添。
In reality, I lost my key, and I forgot to fill the form before I can officially check out. Great.
Okay, what the hell? It's blocked.
For my last lunch, I went to the most popular and also my favorite restaurant in the campus called Paper and Coffee. It's a Japanese fried chicken / cafe restaurant. I know it sounds strange, but that's how it is. You can see that chicken is very juicy and it tastes very soft. It's nothing like the rocks you get at KFC. I come here like 2 times or 3 times a week if the queue is not that long. So after the lunch, I would usually take the bus to get back to the hostel. And today I had to start packing, but I was procrastinating to play some new pool first. Right now it's 4:30. Packing everything you see on this side of the room and also the bed. And the wardrobe.
Oh, this monitor is actually my friend's. He won't be moving away, so I don't care about his desk. But this thing, I have to return it to him. So what I'll do, I'll just put it here. Nice. One thing left to carry. First step, I'll be clearing the entire desk. And then like, move all these away. Here's some cheat sheets. I don't know if you can see it, but I won't be reading this like forever. Table's nearly done, and you can see how often I clean my desk.
With a larger space.
Japanese textbooks inside. Like I don't even play tennis. This is here for like 3 months.
Still looks okay, but
Couldn't throw this in.
the college life's not complete without some drinking. But disclaimer, I drink responsibly.
Japanese whiskey, a Riesling I bought in supermarket for like 50 Hong Kong dollars. A whiskey I bought from my dad, technically bought it for myself. So these filters, I shipped it from the United States to Hong Kong. French press, this cocktail shaker, some instant coffee, oatmeal I haven't finished. Do it. Okay, I have to clear this. There's a lot of bags from different events, like name cards. Earbuds I got from an like metaverse event. Got flashlights, even though I never use it because the sound quality is the desk is basically done. I just need to clear the bed.
While I'm tidying my bed, I just want to say thank you to everyone who watches this video. After graduation, I will go on a pretty unique route of starting a company with a few of my friends, and we rented a new place. So if you want to see a young guy's startup journey, just leave a comment to let me know that you're interested, and that means a lot when I'm making videos. Now, back to the video.
So I got some interesting clothes here. I have to dance with this thing in an event, sadly. Always lose a sock. I have 7 single socks here, boxing gloves. I got this robe, which is for my college event.
I'm sweating already.
So there's a fridge here, which is also mine. And yeah, there's nothing inside because I ate everything. But there's some milk. And from the other side, we got some random drinks, toothbrush, cooking equipment, and some bags. And basically that's nearly all. Nearly.
I finally just decided to throw every useless thing away. This should actually be a habit.
Okay, these glassware I don't want to break anything. It's like these color pencils left. I will just give it to my roommate. And now it's yours. It's really convenient because I have to walk like a minute to get water outside. So I have to pull all the water out and basically done. So I'm basically ready to leave. I got like 4 bags, just 4 bags. This luggage, big IKEA bag, another bag, another bag. It's pretty, not that much. I can just move all these down and we'll be good to go. Alright, here's all I got. Get on my mask and let's go. Now. Alright, so this is the last time I'll be here, and this student card and the service. 2 more bags until everything's done, and I've called a van already, so basically now it's just waiting. It's all done. The entire college life.
I thought I'll be more emotional, like I miss college, but I think I'm too tired. And I guess I kinda accepted that I should move on. After all, I'm grateful that I spent my time with the best people I could ever meet in these 4.5 years and have been a part of so many events in college. And even if I stay for half a year more, there's just nothing new to do. So it's time to go to the next stage of life, which is unfortunately working. But hey, at least I got a lot of freedom. And leave a comment if you're in the same stage of life as me. And remember to like this video, subscribe if you want to follow the journey of a fresh grad. I'm FF Classroom and I'll see you again in the next video.